Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a very indispensable branch of mathematics, that is algebra. Algebra is basically a fundamental tool that establishes a relationship between different variables, and it is also used to solve real world problems. If we talk about algebraic expressions, it is a mathematical statement that consists of numbers, variables, and then arithmetic operations between them. Moreover, we're going to do different applications of algebra that is going to be based on patterns and equations. So without further ado, let's start our today's lesson with algebraic expression. Let's take an example, like any statement. 7m plus 4. This is an algebraic expression, or I would say a mathematical statement, where 7 is a number and m is a variable and plus, that is addition or arithmetic operation. And 4 is a constant. Let's jump to our first example. A car needs 4 tires and a bus needs 6 tires. A factory put 94 tires on some cars and 1 bus. What we need to find out, how many cars did the factory put tires on. So let's emphasize on what is given to us. A car need 4 tires and a bus need 6 tires, and factory put a total of 94 tires. So what we need to find out, how many cars did the factory put tires on. So basically we need to find number of cars. So how we're gonna solve this, we're gonna use, or we're gonna make algebraic equation. So if a car needs 4 tires, like one car needs 4 tires, let's say number of cars are x, and a car needs 4 tires, so the x number of cars need 4 into x plus, and a bus needs 6 tires, so 1 into 6, like one bus needs 6 tires, and the total is 94. So 4x plus 6 is equal to 94, and 4x is equal to 94 minus 6. So 94 minus 6, 88, and this implies 4x is 88 and x comes out to be 22. So there are a total of 22 cars that the factory put tires on. So a second example is, Jaden ran P divided by 2 laps in 1 minute for a total of q minutes. And what we need to find out, write an algebraic expression to show number of laps. Secondly, we need to find number of laps when P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 5. So firstly, we're gonna find an algebraic expression for this. So Jaden ran P divided by 2 laps in 1 minute, and the total time he ran for is q minutes. So an algebraic expression for this is gonna be Q is equal to P divided by 2. And when P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 5, Q is equal to 5 and P is 2. So by BODMAS, we're gonna solve this bracket first. So 2 divided by 2, 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. So our third example is Robin had a carton of eggs. 4 of them broke and he used half of the remaining eggs to bake a cake. If he used 7 eggs, how many eggs were in the carton at the beginning? So less emphasis on what is given to us in the statement. So how many eggs? So like number of eggs in the carton at the beginning, let's suppose X, and 4 of them broke. So X minus 4. And he used half of the remaining eggs. So that means divided by 2. So because he used half of the remaining eggs. And if he used 7 eggs, how many eggs were in the carton at the beginning? So X minus 4 divided by 2. So basically we're gonna simplify this and we'll find out the value for X. So 7 into 2. So X minus 4 is equal to 14. So X is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So that means there were a total of 18 eggs in the carton at the beginning. So number of eggs comes out to be, which is 18. So our last example for today is a baseball card is bought for $2. After first month, its value will increase to $5 and then to $8 after second month. If this pattern continues, what's the value in third and sixth month? So less emphasis on what is given to us. So we are given the buying price for baseball card, which is $2. So, and after first month, its value will increase to $5 and then to $8 after second month, and this pattern continues. So here we can see that the difference here is 3. So 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. So this pattern continues, and that means the difference will be 3. So first of all, we're gonna make an algebraic expression. So let's say number of months, which is variable, as n. So the algebraic expression will be n into 3, because the difference is constant, plus 2. That is the buying price for baseball card. So this is an algebraic expression, and what we need to find out was the value in third and sixth month. That means we're gonna put 3 here because we need the value for third month, like after third month. So it comes out to be 3 into 3, 9, plus 2. So 11. So that means after third month the value will be $11, like here. Here if we complete this series, 11. So this is the value after first, and this is the value after second month, and this is the value after third month. So we also need to find the value after sixth month. So that means in this algebraic expression we're gonna put 6 in place of n. So 3 into 6, 18 plus 2, so $20. So that means the value of baseball card after sixth month is $20.